you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anchor Arzu and I'm back with Gunja once again.
After so long.
Yeah, but I'm extremely sorry for being so delayed in posting the video because I was not having that good vibes these days to shoot and to put something on my YouTube. But there is a big surprise coming very soon. तो अगर आप मुझे Instagram पे फॉलो करते हैं तो आपको पता होगा कि कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग आ रहा है, कुछ नए लोग आ रहे हैं. बट टिल देन हमने बहुत क्विक ये चैलेंज किया और बहुत क्विक हम ये चैलेंज पोस्ट करने वाले हैं.
मैं भी हूँ. मेन मैं हूँ. मेन गाइस मेन.
आज का चैलेंज है जिंग चैलेंज, जो कि पॉपुलर हुआ था जिमी फैलन की ओर से. और अगर आप कौन है ये क्या है तो प्लीज थोड़ा गूगल कीजिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा.
Jimmy Fallon is an amazing person. He makes a talk shows just like Kapil Sharma does.
Yeah. And Coffee with Karan, something like
kind
that.
of Coffee with Karan.
So all the Hollywood stars sit with them and
Hollywood, Bollywood, even Bollywood.
Yeah, and they play some game, and this game has become such a popular game. So we have tried to did this with both of us. और हम कितना जीन्स कर पाते हैं. और अगर कहीं हम एक टॉपिक पे there will be like 2 चांस, और अगर 2 चांस में हम राइट आंसर नहीं देंगे तो विल पेंट ईच अदर्स फेस. पेंट ईच अदर्स फेस. और मुझे नहीं यार
अच्छा मेकअप
नहीं बिगाड़ना है.
अच्छा मेकअप हुआ and she's now saying
fingers crossed guys.
मैंने इतना अच्छा मेकअप किया, उसके बाद she's saying I will paint your face. I'm like oh no.
मुझे लगा oh my god. This is like यार जिंक्स कैसे होगा हमारा.
I don't know.
So let's have this fun. So this is entire topic. So let's start with it very quickly. उससे पहले ऐसे हाथ पकड़िए. वैसे तो वो ग्लव्स वर्क्स कुछ होते हैं उनके कनेक्टेड हीट वाले, बट मैंने उनसे पूछा, जिमी फैलन से पूछा आप मुझे देंगे. वो बोले अभी कोरोना की वजह से हम पार्सल नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो आज आप ऐसे let's start. Okay, so the first topic that we gonna have is
we'll open together.
Okay, we'll open together. Fruits with the count of 1, 2, 3.
Watermelon.
Oh, I forgot that's your favorite.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Mango. Guava. Ew, guava. Ew.
I like guava. यार ये first round से ही बिगाड़ेंगे till the end.
Orange.
यार थोड़ा तो compatibility ला देती यार.
Excuse me, neither were you right.
हाँ.
We are gonna change colors, so it's gonna be colorful. But we have only 4 colors. Budget कम था. आप थोड़े likes और views और दे दो तो budget बढ़ जाएगा.
So it's
pass. Okay.
So
1, 2, 3. Dog. Very obvious.
This was
very obvious.
This is
very obvious.
I like
No doubt.
it. It's body parts. Okay. With the count of 3. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3. Shit, sorry.
1, 2, 3.
Eyes. Gunja, please. 1, 2, 3. Legs.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
तुम इतना मैच नहीं कर पाते.
जैसे तुमने बड़ा मैच कर लिया.
चिक्स, तुम्हें तो चिक्स पसंद ही नहीं है. sometimes.
When did I play? Tell me once a time I played.
Sometimes. Now.
1, 2, 3. Soldier. Okay, she didn't spoke anything.
She didn't spoke anything. Which I thought she will speak this because she's having the only game in her mobile. These two, Ludo and Solitaire. So I spoke Solitaire and she's like.
A few moments later.
So we have the topic as drinks, and with a count of 1, 2, 3.
Thumbs up.
1, 2, 3.
Mara. Shit, I hate Mara. What is this?
Are you mad, yaar? What the hell is this? States.
Okay.
Okay.
Solid. 1, 2, 3. Maharashtra. I mean Mumbai. Same.
That's a city and Maharashtra is a city.
Same.
Yeah.
Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Again, continue.
Okay, that's a shape. Okay. Which shape are we gonna do?
1, 2, 3. Circle.
Last chance, please be with me. 1, 2, 3.
Triangle.
Thank God. That's it.
Now it's my turn.
We have taken it.
Planets.
You know how many planets are there?
See. Now it has become 9 or 7.
You know
1, 2, 3. Saturn. 1, 2, 3. Earth.
Oh my God! This is like a blessing.
Earth saved us. Earth saved
Oh my
us.
God.
Favorite outfit.
Something with the outfit. Okay.
Outfit. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Traditional.
1, 2, 3.
Casuals. Oh, I was gonna say shorts and I said casuals. Ah.
Next
Two
is
bucket.
online shopping apps.
Okay.
Okay.
So the 1, 2, 3.
Nykaa.
Shein.
It's closed. What the hell are we going there? 1, 2, 3.
Amazon. Zara.
ये क्या चल क्या रहा है?
पहले मेरा
हमारी
turn.
ट्यूनिंग तो वाहियात लग रही है मुझे.
Bollywood song. I'm definitely sure इसमें हमारा नहीं ही होने वाला है.
And we are ready कि next हम कौन से part को decorate
या मैंने तो अभी
करेंगे.
तक मैंने सोच
मैंने भी
रखा है.
सोच लिया है. पर यार song सोच लेना.
वो भी सोच के
ठीक है चलो.
1, 2, 3.
हाय गर्मी.
अगर तुम साथ 1. मैंने सॉन्ग से ध्यान ना होता. ओके. 1, 2, 3. Baby doll! Oh, I was gonna say Genda Fool! Oh shit, I swear I was gonna say Genda Fool! Shoot! Shoot!
Hours later.
मिलते हैं हमारी आज की बंजारी।
Tutty, मतलब what the hell is this? Chee. But look at my eyeshadow, it's still flaunting. Ah ha ha. I look awful.
How?
Everywhere.
You look great.
Chee.
If a 5-year-old kid paint your face, it would be something like this.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
बहुत गंदी तरीके से मुझे बिगाड़ते हो।
I see put
Like I could see only orange and purple, and you were like doodles. Where the hell is this doodle? Where the hell is it?
These are known as doodles.
No,
doodles.
these are not at all a doodles. Like these are.
That's so genius,
And
I know,
I
right?
don't know what exactly to say to this.
See,
look.
G, A loves G, Arzu loves Gunja. Love, love. Ooh, your muchi is just like Jethalal. These are grass, I told. These are fire. No, this is Mehndi design, this is fire. You are on fire.
These are like worst ever.
Oh, freckles are amazing.
These are worst ever.
You don't deserve freckles. This is Tutty. That's what she deserves. Which is not properly shown.
What is this?
Doodle.
What kind of doodle is this? I'm not getting it.
This was created by, exclusively created by Gunja Mehta.
You know, thing is that I'm unable to relate any of the thing on my face, and you could at least relate to the things that it is like, you know, very Banjara authentic kind of a thing. And trust me,
All I can see on my face is my eyeshadow.
गाइस खत्म करो बात। अगर आपको ये चैलेंज पसंद आया थोड़े हमारे ट्विस्ट के साथ, और ऐसा जिंक्स अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम पार्ट 2 करें तो कमेंट बिलो करो। इसके साथ नहीं तो किसी और के साथ करेंगे हम बिल्कुल। बट इफ यू गाइज रियली एंजॉयड प्लीज कमेंट बिलो एंड
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Of course, please subscribe to her channel. She's doing a great, amazing work. Please go and follow her, subscribe her, like her videos. मेरे बहुत इसके साथ मेरे बहुत सारे videos है इस Okay, fine. Great. Please go and follow her channel. We have so many videos we have created together. और इसके channel पे बहुत सारे ऐसे videos है जो आपको entertaining मिलेंगे. So go and do follow her, like her, comment her, and don't forget to subscribe to her channel. And thank you so much everybody for being here and giving us lots and lots of love and support. I promise to be a very continue in this line, and I'll try कि मैं आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे videos continuously दे पाऊँ. Thank you everybody.
And guys, comment के किसका look सबसे ज़्यादा घटिया था? That was definitely. And guys, also comment my eyeshadow was on fleek.
No, that's all right. But घटिया तो मेरा ही face है, and now she also agrees to that I did a great work on her
That
face.
I did the most great घटिया work on her face.
Yeah. So
That was so nice. Great घटिया work.
that's.
And guys, if you haven't checked out our latest video, that is Speech Jammer on my channel, go and check it out. It's an amazing and very, very funny video, guys. Go and check this
Go
out.
and check it out. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great day. Love. And इसके बाद जो video आ रहा है, that is most awaited video. Do not forget, जल्दी आ रहा है, and you guys need to watch that out. Till then, bye.